Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create female voice Suno AI. We'll move step by step so you can confidently generate a polished female vocal performance from your own words. And I'll share helpful tips along the way to get the sound you want. Whether you're making a song, a short vocal demo, a background track, or experimenting with AI music for content creation, this process will help you get a cleaner and more controlled result. First, open Suno AI. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we need is clearly labeled and easy to find. Once the site loads, log into your account. Logging in ensures your settings and creations are kept together, and lets the platform access the tools we'll use today. It also makes it easier to return to your previous generations later, compare different versions, and continue improving the same idea without starting from scratch. After you're in, click on Create. This takes you to the workspace where the music and vocal generation happens. You'll see basic controls, but for the best results and finer control, switch to Advanced Mode. Advanced Mode unlocks extra fields and options that influence the melody, voice, and overall style, giving you more predictable outcomes. This is helpful because instead of letting the system guess everything, you're giving it clearer instructions about how you want the final track to sound. With Advanced Mode on, add your lyrics. Think of this as your script for the singer. Keep lines concise and natural, and use punctuation to guide phrasing, commas for short breaths, periods for full stops. If you want a particular emotion, add expressive words that signal tone, like gentle, confident, or soaring. Clear structure helps the model phrase the melody more musically, so break verses and choruses into separate lines, or short stanzas for better pacing. For example, if you want the vocal to feel emotional, keep the lines simple and easy to sing. If you want an energetic pop sound, shorter, punchy lines can work better. Then, add your styles. Styles shape the arrangement, tempo, and vibe. Choose a style that matches your lyric's mood. Uplifting pop for bright, catchy lines, a softer acoustic feel for intimate storytelling, or an atmospheric style for moody, spacious vocals. If you're unsure, start with a general style and refine later. The goal is to give Suno a strong musical direction. You can also include words like cinematic, soulful, dreamy, dance pop, ballad, or indie to guide the sound more clearly, depending on the kind of female vocal performance you want. After that, click on More Options. This panel offers important controls that fine-tune the voice and performance. Here, select Female under Vocal Gender. This tells the model to render the performance with a female vocal quality, tone, timbre, and delivery that align with a female singer. If your lyrics include a wide range or fast passages, this setting helps the system interpret them in a way that suits that voice type. For better results, try matching the vocal gender with the style, mood, and lyric structure, because all of these details work together to shape the final performance. Once everything looks right, lyrics in, style chosen, and female selected, click on Create. The platform will process your inputs and generate the performance based on the instructions you provided. If the phrasing or tone isn't quite there, small lyric tweaks or a different style choice can make a big difference. You can generate more than one version and compare them, because sometimes the second or third result gives you a better melody, cleaner vocal delivery, or more natural emotion. And that's it. A clear, repeatable workflow to create a female voice with Suno AI. Once you understand how lyrics, style, and vocal settings work together, you can keep experimenting with different genres and moods until you get the exact sound you're looking for.
City lights are bleeding gold. You said wait before it's cold. We